In industrial production environments, occasional system crashes and boot failures may occur. These issues often render parts of the plant inoperable. Repair work is frequently delayed as IT staff must perform complex restore procedures. The resulting operational downtime not only consumes time and money but also impacts customer satisfaction. IEI OneKey Recovery 2 provides an efficient solution to tackle this challenge. This utility serves as a user-friendly and secure backup and recovery tool. Comprehensive functions include OneKey Backup and Recovery, automatic recovery of Windows applications, automatic recovery of Windows images, email alerts for auto-recovery events, and maintains a detailed event log history. Users start by creating a backup OS image. When issues arise, all that's required is to press the F3 key to access the recovery environment, and the system can be restored to its factory defaults within minutes. The unique auto-recovery function automatically reinstates the OS image in the event of an abnormal system startup, while simultaneously sending an email warning to the service engineer. IEI OneKey Recovery 2 is compatible with a wide range of IEI products, making it a versatile solution for various industrial setups. To learn more about this innovative tool, please visit www.ieiworld.com/OneKey Recovery 2.